In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your transaction history on the Lloyds app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a disclaimer and say that in this video, I'm going to show you the proper method of deleting your transaction history. This is because, sadly, as of today, I don't know of any method to delete your transaction history through the Lloyds app. So this is a process that you need to do through the Lloyds website. If any other methods arrive in the future that allows us to delete our transactions through the Lloyds app, I will make an update on this video and let you know. But for now, I'm going to show you the proper method of doing this. To the Lloyds Bank website, you can access this using a computer or your phone. Simply go to a web browser and go to lloydsbank.com, log in using your credentials. So click log on at the top and then access the internet banking functionalities with your personal or business account. This is where we're going to be able to access our transaction history page and manage it from there. When you arrive at your transaction history, you can choose the appropriate category. For example, I've went ahead and selected bank transactions, and all you have to do is choose the check boxes at the left side of the screen next to each transaction title. So click the check boxes for every single transaction you'd like to delete, and after they are properly checked, choose the Actions button at the top right corner of the screen. Now the second to last option should say delete however many selected transactions. So simply click that button and select yes from the prompt that appears. Like I said, you have to select each checkbox individually, and this is a process that you need to do through the internet banking functionality and not the mobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to delete a transaction history in Lloyds Bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.